train currently approaching platform B. This train terminates here. This train terminates here. Please do not attempt to board this train. Passengers, once again, please do not board this train as this will cause further delays to your journey this morning. This train currently on platform B terminates here. Please do not board this train. Please do not ask members of staff any questions once they're terminating this train. Thank you.
The train on platform A is your Abbey service calling at Bond Street, Tottenham Court Road.
This is the train to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Next station, Bond Street.